In 1901, sponge divers off Antikythera stumbled upon an ancient shipwreck. Amidst statues and treasures, a heavily corroded lump, unlike anything seen before, lay waiting. This bronze mass, initially overlooked, seemed insignificant. But its intricate forms hinted at something more than mere wreckage, a secret slumbering beneath centuries of sediment. Years later, X-ray analysis revealed an impossible truth: complex interlocking gears, a masterpiece of precision clockwork, within the ancient lump. It was a machine. This was no simple device. It was an astronomical calculator, a cosmic calendar built by ancient Greeks, predicting the movements of the sun, moon, and planets with stunning accuracy. Its genius extended further. It could forecast solar and lunar eclipses, tracking celestial cycles with an sophistication previously thought impossible for its 2nd century BC origin. Who forged such brilliance? Master craftsmen and astronomers of ancient Greece, a testament to a technological prowess lost to the ages, possibly from Rhodes or Corinth. Its precision was breathtaking, mirroring the mechanical complexity of 18th-century European clocks. For over a millennium, humanity would not build anything comparable. The mechanism employed differential gears, a concept rediscovered only in the 16th century, allowing for complex computations of irregular celestial motions like the moon's ellipse. Beyond astronomy, it featured a sophisticated metonic calendar and even tracked the dates of ancient athletic games, including the revered Olympic Games cycle. A true marvel. This singular artifact defies known history. Was it a lone masterpiece, or did other similar devices exist, simply lost to time? The enigma deepens with every revelation. The Antikythera mechanism forces us to rewrite history, revealing an advanced ancient Greek science that challenges our modern perceptions of technological evolution and lost knowledge. Its intricate gears continue to turn in our imagination, a silent testament to a forgotten era of genius, a mind-blowing ancient computer still whispering its secrets across millennia.